Good morning, students. In this class we are going to discuss about the time division multiplexing experiment. So we should know the basics of time division multiplexing, and first of all you should know the multiplexing concept, right? You have already studied about the multiplexing in digital electronics, right? So multiplexing is nothing but more number of inputs and one single output is multiplexing, and you have already studied about 4:1 mux and 8:1 mux, and so these are all the multiplexer in digital electronics. Similarly, we have the same concept, multiplexing concepts in communication also. So in communication we are transmitting more number of channel information, and we are receiving the more number of information in the receiver side. So on the transmitter side we have more number of channel information. All the channel informations are grouped together and you will get a only single output. That single output can be transmitted in the transmitting side. So similarly in the receiver side, the received information that is the single information can be separated as different outputs, right? So we have to use the low pass filters with the different frequency cutoffs. You will get the different channel outputs from the multiplexed output. So this is called as the demultiplexing. So in this experiment, time division multiplexing, we have 4 channel information: channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. And these 4 channel informations are simply, we can say, the 4 modulating signal information. So for each signal we have to set the particular amplitude and particular frequency. Say for example, channel 1 you have to set the frequency 100 kilohertz and the amplitude may be 3 volt or 4 volt. Similarly for channel 2 you have to set the frequency 50 kilohertz and the amplitude may be 5 volt or 6 volt. And for channel 3 you have to set the frequency 300 kilohertz and the amplitude may be 7 volt or 8 volt. So in order to distinguish the channel information on the receiver side, you have to fix the frequency and amplitude. You have to fix the frequency and amplitude, and all these channel informations are multiplexed and then it will be transmitted. See, here we have a channel 1 and a channel 2, channel 3 and channel 4. Each and every channel you have to set the time, frequency and amplitude. And then all these channels are put together, and for this you have to give the clock information, transmission clock information, and we will get the transmitted data, TXD data, and then it is the transmitted data can be visualized in the digital storage oscilloscope. So here we have digital storage oscilloscope, and here you can be able to see the multiplexed output as a single output, okay? And then the multiplexed output can be given as an input with respect to different low pass filters, and then you will get the single channel output from the respective outputs. So this is about the time division multiplexing. So you are multiplexing, you are grouping the 4 channel information, and then you are getting one single output from the